Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Again, I'm going to mention this again, guys. I've been fighting off a cold. It hit me twice as worse. I just don't even feel like doing nothing, so I'm not going to do the usual long intro, long outro, but I am going to read the first comment from my last video, which was my December spoilers for the BoxyCharm Premium, Luxe, and the base box. Congratulations, Renee. Is that Blaski? I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me, Renee. I can't pronounce anything. Anyway, she says, "Howdy, lady. I'm first. Never been and love yous. Thanks for all you do." Well, that's a really sweet comment, Renee. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And you got to leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. Now, guys, we have got a new spoiler for the Yes Oh Yes November box. First, I'm going to show you what we already got, and then I'm going to show you the newly released spoiler, or brand spoiler, actually. First thing is the Bella Pierre 12 Color Pro Natural Eyeshadow Palette. The next thing is the Bella Pierre Kabuki Brush. And then the next thing, it shows that they are teaming up with Inappropriate Cosmetics. Now, this is by Ashley Tisdale, but it doesn't show the exact product. They're wanting everybody to guess. So I did go on their Instagram, and about the only thing I see, they got about 3 different palettes. They have brushes, and they also have liquid lippies. But no, the palettes that they have, one is with BH Cosmetics, so I doubt very seriously it's going to be that one. Now, they do have these 2 other palettes that are called the Glow Up palettes. So I don't know if I'm pretty sure, I'm betting it would either be the brushes or one of the liquid lippies. So of course, as soon as they reveal it, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you want to go check them out. Also, I do have a code for you to use at SelfTaught Beauty. That is in all caps. That will save you 10% off of your first box. Now, a lot of people have been having trouble using my code. There is a default code down my description box if mine isn't working. All you got to do is use the link with that default code. It will still apply your discount. Now, I do make a very small commission off of this, but you guys also get a discount, so I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. And of course, I'll keep you updated as soon as they reveal anything. And now let's read the pinned comment from my last video. And congratulations, Viviana Gonzalez. Anyways, Viviana says, "Hello, love your videos." Well, thank you, love. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Again, please make sure you are still subscribed to my channel. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.